Hey everybody, it's Paul's day off. Today I got some Sabritas, which got them when I was at the El Molino Supermercado. And these are, I'm sorry guys, I'm not very good with Spanish pronunciation, so I'm doing the best I can, all right? It's Receta Cruente, okay? Flamin' hot. Let's give it a taste, shall we? There we go. They're very crunchy. Not like a normal Lay's. These are pretty much on kettle chip side. The and it is just the standard Flamin' Hot with lime. Okay. Taste-wise, they're pretty good. Heat-wise, they're not the ones that make you go, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. But, you know, it is Flamin' Hot, so still respect the heat. If you're not somebody if you don't like heat a lot, it's not for you. If you're somebody that loves heat, there's something good to go with your sandwich. Just don't look for extreme hot. This is not going to be a one-chip challenge. Would I buy them again? Yeah, I'll buy them again. I'm Paul. It's my day off. Check me out on our Patreon. Got some more stuff going up over there. Lots of interesting things I'm trying to work on. And like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.